Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on LRC. Recently, LRC has broken down the support of this up channel that was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that for the past several days, since after 8th of November 2024, the price was nicely moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and now finally we broke down the support of this channel. It was nicely forming higher highs and higher lows. And after the breakdown, you can see that the price then has formed a double bottom at this long-term support zone. That starts from 21 cents and goes to 17.5 cents. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this support zone has been previously working as a very strong resistance line here. And before that, for several months, it has been working as a very, very strong support zone. You can see that since after the month of May 2021 up till the month of June 2024, it has been working as a very, very strong support zone. And now, again, it can work as a strong support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel as well. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price end was rejected by this key resistance of 50 cents. You can see that we got rejection here and almost got another rejection here as well. And this was another rejection. And by the way, this 50 cents has been previously working as a resistance here as well when it was moving inside this wedge. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout and this long-term key resistance of 50 cents as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for GRT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of LRC. And first of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this up channel and it was forming nicely higher highs and higher lows. But now finally we have broken down the support of the channel, but could not break down the long-term support zone that starts from 21 cents and goes to 17.5 cents. In fact, at this 21 cents support, the price and formed a double bottom, then geared up, and now it is about to hit the next long-term resistance of 30 cents. That is also a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 30 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. However, after that, if the price line breaks out this 30 cents, then we will have the key resistance of 50 cents. And for example, if the price line breaks down this support zone, that's not from 21 cents and goes to 17.5 cents, then we may see a further drop to the downside, and the pricing can hit the target for the breakdown from this channel in case of breaking down the support zone. That will be here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 13 cents. And by the way, slightly lower than this 13 cents, we have this very long-term support of 11 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel, and the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 50 cents, and over there we have a very strong and long-term key resistance that was previously working as a resistance here when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge on the 7 days time frame chart, the price and again got rejected by this 50 cents resistance here and almost here and here as well, and therefore again it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of LRC. Now if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.